How to fix Adobe Premiere Pro playback lag. Method 1. Enable GPU acceleration. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Click File in the toolbar, select Project Settings, and click General. Open the Render drop-down menu, and select Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. If GPU acceleration is grayed out, you may need to update your graphics driver. If GPU acceleration is still grayed out after the update, it may mean that Premiere Pro doesn't support your graphics card. Click OK. Method 2. Delete unused media cache files. Click Edit in the toolbar, select Preferences, and click Media Cache. Click Delete next to remove media cache files. Tick Delete unused media cache files, and click OK. You can also change the settings to delete cached files after a set number of days automatically. Click OK when prompted. Click OK to close the Preferences window. Method 3. Lower the playback resolution. In the bottom right corner of the preview window, open the Playback Resolution drop-down menu, and select one of the 4 options instead of Full. Method 4. Disable high-quality playback. Click the wrench icon to open the Program Monitor Settings menu, and deselect the high-quality playback option. Method 5. Use proxy videos in your workflow. In the Project panel, select the projects you want to create proxies for. Right-click a project, select Proxy, and click Create Proxies. Open the Format menu, and select your preferred format. Then, open the Preset menu, and select Low Resolution Proxy. Click OK. Method 6. Increase memory allowance. Click Edit in the toolbar, select Preferences, and click Memory. In the Memory panel, reduce the RAM reserved for other Adobe applications to the lowest amount possible. Click OK. Method 7. Close the Lumetri Scopes panel. Open the menu next to the Lumetri Scopes panel, and click Close Panel. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.